Yo, what is good, YouTube? Today I'm going to show you guys how I made $67 day trade the Nasdaq today, guys. Yep, you heard it right here. Big baller, $67. Okay. I missed my entry, and I probably would have been up like about 1,500 today, but it is what it is. The Fed, I don't even know what the hell he did, honestly. Did he cut rates? Did he not cut rates? All I gotta say, we're back. We're so back, baby. Q4, Fed just cut rates or whatever the hell he did. I don't even know. Put a Zenachini in. Upper decky. We are so back. Let me just say something. This price action today, ooh, bro, I was like a walking wet pussy, bro. Okay, I might need to cut that out. Anyways, let's just get into the day. Let's get into the daily bias that I had for today, and we will do a little like trade recap, I guess. Is there a gap? Okay. So, candle, Thursday. I don't even know where to start with this shit, bro. Oh, this is the 4 hour. No wonder I was fucking confused. I was like, what? This don't even look like the daily candle. So, yesterday, we had a strong rejection out of this volume imbalance right here. This was also like highly news driven, but it's algorithm. It's not going to go away just for fucking news. So I'm seeing this rejection wick. What am I doing? I am drawing the CE out on this rejection wick. I'm going under the 4 hour. What did I see on the 4 hour? Where were we? I think we were right here. I think it was this candle. We took all-time highs overnight, and I'm expecting us to continue to make all-time highs. I'm not going to short at all-time highs, so I'm bullish on the day. Now, when I dropped down to the 4 hour, I seen how far the CE of this wick was. I think we were about like right here. Somewhere when we opened. No. We were like right here. So seeing how far that wick was, I'm like, okay, we are more than likely not going to get all the way down there. So what I do, I marked out this gap right here. And I had in mind about this, I just marked this entire thing as an order block right here. But I didn't actually have it on my chart because that's a pretty big fucking box. I just had that in the back of my mind. Okay, we're in this order block. What else is on the 4 hour? This one was hard. This one was hard to see. What is this right here? This is a rejection wick. Why is it a rejection wick, you ask? To the tick, kinda, tapped into this 4 hour gap and we were rejecting out of it. That is a rejection wick. That is a valid rejection wick. I drew the CE out on that as well. So I'm like, okay, I'm bullish. I have my high time frame PD arrays. Let's just kind of go down to the 1 minute and see what we are looking like. Let me get rid of this. Oh, where the fuck is market open? Here it is. So right now we have our pre-session high here. Let's go ahead and pre-session high. Let me mark over real quick. Oh man, I gotta take a fucking shit. Sorry. Pre-session low. So I am bullish. What are we looking for? We're looking for the pre-session low to be taken out first and then target pre-session high, which is all-time highs. Okay, so this right here was the CE of that 4 hour wick. This right here was the 4 hour gap. And I had in the back of my mind that we were inside of that 4 hour order block. I just called it an order block. And I also, give me a little bit better PD array selection, I drew a deviation off of the last manipulation leg, which didn't really line up with anything or any of the PD arrays that I had, but I'm just showing you guys what I did. All right, we have market open here. Actually, ES takes this low and NQ doesn't. So I was like, I'm kind of looking for longs right now. We get a change in the state. Oh, we get a change in the state right here, but we didn't. It's not very strong. You see these candles? I'm seeing these rejection wicks. I'm seeing wicks. It's also 9:33. We just opened. I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna wait it out. None of my PD arrays were hit as well, so I'm gonna wait it out. ES took the low, NQ didn't. So in this scenario, we have a bullish SMT here. NQ drops back down, tapping into. Let me just show you guys this real quick. Show you this because I actually saw this. Bro, why is it going back? Okay. NQ forms a low. We get a turtle soup of that low into that 4-hour order block, tapping the 4-hour rejection wick. CE thought it was a 1 hour. I don't know why. What happens after that? We get an inverse here and a change in the state delivery out of it. Now the only thing I was waiting for was a tap right here. And you guys are gonna kind of laugh. I actually went, I walked away for 5 minutes and it came back, tapped me in, bang. But here's the catch. I didn't even have a limit order there, so I missed this beautiful trade. Shout out NQ Snowski. It is what it is. This was honestly like A+ day. Oh, actually, let me also mark out our 8:30 and midnight open. 8:30 and midnight was like right there. So this was a tier 2 setup. Honestly, this was a tier 3. We were below midnight open, below 8:30 open, turtle soup, 4-hour rejection wick, inverse, change in state delivery, taps to change in the state. I mean, this was A+, bro. My dumb ass just did not set a limit order there for some reason. But this would have been my trade. Literally, bang, right there. Stops at the low. It's 30 points, but I mean, based on market structure, that is where I probably have my stop loss. Worst case, below that inversion right there. But yeah, A+ day. Kind of mad at myself that I missed this, but I did end up catching like a little long right here with 1 micro. I was not trying to risk anything, even in case it came back. I would have lost $5, but I ended up making $67. Because I mean, I knew where the draw was. I knew we were going to all-time highs. A little bit of chase of the trend, but I was very, very, struck on that bias. And if I lost, I would have lost like $10. It is what it is. I don't give a fuck. So that was the trade recap for today. Q4, man, we're back. We're so back. This is the first day after Fed cut rates, whatever the hell you want to call that shit. Q4 is literally tomorrow. Tomorrow's like the full transition to Q4. Yeah, pretty solid, clean day. I know a lot of people that call it this. If you didn't see this, you're an absolute fucking idiot. This was the cleanest trade of the year, probably. And my dumb ass walked away for like 5 minutes and I missed it. So, it is what it is. We've got the rest of our life to catch these fucking trades. But that is the trade recap for today on me making $670. And, yeah, I'll put the trade recap tomorrow. I'll see y'all boys tomorrow. Peace.